Let me ask you a question. How much money do you think you've lost because your website was too slow, or even worse, when a customer trying to buy it actually went down? Most entrepreneurs have no idea. But here's the truth. A bad hosting decision can silently destroy your business. And I know because I've been there. Today I'm going to show you the number one mistake entrepreneurs make with their website, and more importantly, how you can fix it before it costs you your entire business. When I started building businesses, I spent hours designing websites, tweaking the branding, writing perfect copy. But there was one thing I ignored, which is probably the most important thing when it comes to a website, and that was the hosting. I thought it didn't matter. Hosting, that's just where the website lives, right? Wrong. Because here's what I didn't realize. 53% of users actually leave a page if it takes more than 3 seconds to load. I also didn't realize that Google ranks you lower if your page is slow. And the worst of all, if your website crashes during a launch or a promotion, you lose instant revenue, which can be detrimental to your business in the sense that you actually need to generate a revenue so that you can make a profit in order to make money as a business. Otherwise, it becomes a charity. I remember there was a time when I ran a campaign. I was spending thousands of ads in order to get traffic to my website. And then my site actually crashed. Hosting couldn't handle the demand, and all that money was gone. It was at that moment I realized that a website isn't just about design. It's actually more to it than just that. And it starts with your foundation, in my opinion, which is your hosting. And that's where Cloudways comes in really handy, in my opinion, and here's why. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform designed for entrepreneurs and growing businesses. Here's why it's so powerful. The first thing is speed and performance. Cloudways optimizes your site for lightning fast load times, which means lower bounce rates and higher conversions. Now, if it's true that, 53% of people actually turn away from a website if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load, you could actually see why this very point here is actually key to generating more revenue for your business. The second point is scalability. Traffic spike, no problem. Cloudways lets you scale up or down in minutes, so your site never goes down during a launch or a viral moment. The third point is simplicity. You don't need to be a tech genius. With just a few clicks, you can deploy and manage your website without any stress. The fourth point is global reach. Their services are spread worldwide, so whether your customers are in London, New York, or Dubai, your site runs smoothly everywhere. The fifth point is affordable pricing, which is a really important one in my opinion as a business in particular. If you're starting out, you need to run with something that is affordable but simultaneously effective, and that's exactly what Cloudways nail in one go. Unlike traditional hosting, you only pay for what you need, which makes it cost effective for startups and scaling businesses, as I mentioned. When I first switched to cloud hosting, I realized how much money I would be leaving on the table, and Cloudways makes the entire process so much easier. One of the core performance differences with Cloudways is that it gives you dedicated resources, not shared hosting. Unlike shared hosting, Cloudways gives you dedicated resources, meaning your site doesn't compete with others for CPU, RAM, or bandwidth. The results equals consistent performance, no slowdowns even when traffic spikes. Cloudways combines multiple advanced technologies to deliver high-speed performance for PHP-based sites like WordPress and WooCommerce. Cloudways uses a mix of Jinx, Apache, and multiple caching layers. It's kind of like stacking speed boosters in order to make sure that your website can run lightning quick. Jinx is a high-performance web server that handles requests efficiently and reduces load on your server. Varnish, a caching layer that stores web pages and serves them instantly to repeat visitors. Redis stores frequently used data in memory to make database operations super fast. Memcache is another caching system that reduces strain on your database for better scalability. Object Cache Pro, a premium and normally paid WordPress plugin that Cloudways provides for free. It uses Redis to speed up WooCommerce and large WordPress sites by caching database queries. All this means is faster page loads, smoother browsing, and better core web vitals, which is especially important for SEO and conversions. Cloudways servers are fully optimized for PHP 8, which is faster and more efficient than older versions, meaning your website can handle more users with the same resources, which eventually means that you're going to be in a position to generate more revenue, increase your profit margin because you're using about the same resources for something that is more efficient. And having mentioned that 53% of users tend to drop off when it takes longer than 3 seconds, to open a site. Eliminating that issue entirely means that you're likely to see a 53% surge in traffic, which means that you're likely to generate 53% more in revenue, because traffic leads to revenue and revenue leads to profit. All right, you're probably thinking, how is this going to run on the Cloudways? Well, we're going to demonstrate that for you right now. So hang in with me a little bit further. So the first thing we must do is go to cloudways.com. Then you got to choose your cloud provider. I would select DigitalOcean Premium Server, which is what we're going to do. And then you got to pick an app like WordPress, for instance. And that's obviously what we're going to do because it's quite straightforward, easy to deploy, and it just takes a few minutes. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Well, that was pretty easy if you ask me. And now we've managed to solve the chronicle problems of the 53%, as I call it, which means that your business is going to see more traffic because your website is going to perform at a better rate naturally. And you didn't spend an arm and a leg, which is another huge benefit that comes along with using Cloudways, of course. It's also very easy to scale up or down later as your traffic grows, which is really important to note. On top of that, it's important to note that new customers also get free website migration, so they don't need to worry about technical steps. Think about it like this: your website is your storefront. Hosting is the land it's built on. If the ground is shaky, it doesn't matter how beautiful the shop looks, because in reality it's going to collapse because the ground is shaky. So that's why I really emphasize the importance of having a strong hosting provider in place if you're serious about growing your business, scaling your business, so that you can generate the revenue that you foresaw when you started your business, because too many businesses, in my opinion, fail due to bad hosting. The right hosting also means that customers stay longer because the site loads instantly. You rank higher on search engines, as I previously mentioned. You're also not panicking every time you send traffic to your site because you know it's solid. And honestly speaking, in today's online world, fast hosting isn't optional anymore. It's a requirement if you want your business to be taken seriously, because it's really important to have infrastructure that matches your ambition if you are going to be successful in the long run. In my portfolio of businesses, making a switch to strong hosting was one of the most underrated but impactful moves I've ever made. It doesn't just save you money, it makes money by keeping your site always on, fast and reliable. The entrepreneurs, in my opinion, that ignore what I'm talking about in this video are setting themselves up for frustration, but the others who take my advice on board and implement it throughout their businesses are likely going to scale their businesses beyond their border because of the fast reliability that comes along with having the right loading speed on your site. So remember, if your site's been struggling with slow speed or downtime, it's probably not your theme or plugins, it's your hosting. And don't make the mistake I did by obsessing over logo, the colors and the tiny design details, and neglect the foundation that holds it all together. Remember, Cloudways solves this with dedicated service, advanced caching, and a simple, beautiful interface that lets you deploy really fast. And I mean really fast. Try it out for 3 days today. Migrate your website. Use my code Yoma20 for 20% off if you like what you see. And on top of that, no credit card required. You can migrate your existing site and see the performance difference for yourself. Don't take my word for it, try it for yourself. The number one mistake entrepreneurs make with their website is ignoring hosting. And the fix is actually quite simple. Choose a platform that gives you speed, reliability, and room to grow. That's why I recommend Cloudways once again. As always, check out the top link in my description to get started, because if you're serious about building an online business, this is the foundation you can't afford to overlook. Look, it's time to round up this video, and I do hope you found it helpful, useful. And if you did, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video where we are going to be talking about more of the same. Bye bye now.